Hello. In our last video, we had met a family words. So, was it interesting for you all? Do you all remember which words were they? If yes, do write in the comment box. And today, with an excitement again, there's A who has came with his extended family. He's here to introduce his new cousins. Would you like to meet them? So, as we all have cousins and we enjoy with them a lot, isn't it? Same way, A is also having few of his cousins. And let's meet their cousins. It's EIGH, EI, EA, and EY. The sound goes like A, B, neighbor, a sleigh, freight, wait, eight, way, nay. So EIGH says A. Let's see EI. EI words are beach, range. So here you can hear the A sounds little soft. Let's see EA words. There are only 9 or 8 words which you can easily memorize these words, or while reading it can be an easier task. Tear, bear, wear, swear, great, break, steak, pair. Here the A sounds short, and the lastly it comes EY. Let's read together. Obey, pray, can, survey, gray, day. So, if you see the difference, kids, it's very simple. If you find EIGH in your word, you directly say as A. When you see EI, you say it is a soft sound. While EA gives a short sound. And EY is again A, which comes at end with soft sound. So, as our cousins meet us occasionally, same way, remember kids, A extended family also meet him occasionally. So, the words which I have taught you today are more of the same words which you will see in your English language reading. Basically, if you memorize these words or understand these words nicely, it's easier for you to read and write. Hope you like my video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye-bye and have a good day.